Welcome to K.L.E.'s JT College. Today we will learn about cryptocurrency. What meaning? Any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority, instead of using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payments. Instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world, cryptocurrency payments exist purely as digital entries to an online database describing specific transactions. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in a public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets. Advantage: transaction speed, transaction costs, accessibility, security, privacy, transparency, diversification, inflation protection. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.